between the pain and these broken things, it's kinda hard to see you. So please, do a work in my life. Oh, it's kinda hard to articulate, Lord, exactly what I wanna say, but I have to choose to believe that you'll hear me anyway. So in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, God, forgive me for what I